Hey everyone! Today we're diving headfirst into a topic that's been buzzing louder than a poorly tuned radio tower. Artificial intelligence. Specifically, AI's impact on television and radio. Now I know what some of you are thinking. AI? Robots taking over my favorite shows? Is this the end of human connection? And honestly, that's a fair question. But I'm here to tell you it's not the end. It's a dynamic shift, a transformation. Much like the one we saw when the internet first landed in newsrooms. Remember those days? Typewriters clacking, stacks of newspapers, and then, bam, the World Wide Web. Suddenly, journalists weren't just writing for print, they were producing online content, managing websites, and engaging with audiences in real time. It was a seismic shift, and it changed the industry forever. But did it kill journalism? Absolutely not. It evolved it. And that's exactly what AI is going to do for television and radio. It's not about replacing humans, it's about augmenting our abilities. It's about unlocking new creative possibilities and streamlining workflows. Think of it, AI-powered editing, personalized content recommendations, even real-time language translation for global broadcasts. It's coming, folks, and it's going to be in everything local media does. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Jobs. Yes, some roles will change, and some may even become obsolete. But new roles will emerge, requiring a different set of skills. We're talking about a shift from manual tasks to strategic oversight. Those new skills include prompt engineering, AI content curation and verification, data analysis and interpretation, and creative AI integration. Imagine a local radio station using AI to personalize its programming based on listener preferences. Imagine a television news team using AI to analyze vast amounts of data in real time, providing deeper insights into complex stories. Imagine AI-powered virtual sets that transform a small studio into a sprawling, immersive environment. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of television and radio. A future where AI empowers us to create more engaging, more relevant, and more accessible content than ever before. It's a future where local media can thrive in a globalized world, connecting communities and telling stories that matter. It's a future where we, as creators and consumers, have the opportunity to redefine the very nature of storytelling. So, let's embrace this dynamic shift, let's learn the new skills, and let's work together to build a brighter future for the airwaves.